Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac. So it's actually quite easy to do, and on your keyboard what you need to press is Command, Shift, and the different series of numbers. So if you press Command, Shift, and 3, what will happen is you'll take a screenshot of the entire screen. And you can see it saves that for you here. If you press Command, Shift, and 4, you'll get this little selector tool, and you can just select what you want to take a screenshot of, and that will save it. And again, it saves it on your desktop by default, and you can see we have that screenshot there. And other than that, you press Command, Shift, and 5, and it gives you a series of options here. Capture selected window, you can record the entire screen. But here I'm going to say capture the entire screen, and then I'll click capture, and we can see we've now captured the entire screen again. I do hope that was helpful, but any issues, please do comment below, and if I can help, I certainly will.